Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Shopify store. So first, on the bottom left corner, click on the settings. Now click on the plan. Now on the right side, here we will see the deactivate store. So let's click on deactivate store. So before you go, you need to follow this. After that, click on continue. And then now you can choose any reason why you want to leave, and then click on continue, click on deactivate store, and there you go. So your store is now deactivated. So that is how you can deactivate or delete your Shopify store. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.